Hello there, it's Zurab here at Vast Motors taking this video especially for you of this 2011 Harley Davidson Electra Ultra. It has 39,000 kilometers on it and the price is $17,998 plus HST and licensing. The motorcycle itself is in great condition. It is a fully loaded, it is a limited. There's a badge on it too, black like it was supposed to be. Has heated grips. That's the mileage right there. Radio works, everything works on it. Tour pack is on it. The motorcycle is available, comes fully certified with oil change done on it as well. If you have any questions, please call me back at 905-660-2901, extension 212. I'll be more than happy to assist you. Thank you.